What if one small habit could change your digestion, skin, weight, and energy levels, all while you sleep? That's exactly what happens when you drink chia seed water at night. This tiny seed is being called a superfood, and for good reason. The results are truly surprising, and once you add this into your nighttime routine, you might never go back. Chia seeds may look small, but they're nutritional powerhouses. When soaked in water, they expand and form a gel like texture that your body can digest slowly, making them the perfect nighttime drink. Just one glass before bed can support your body in ways you didn't imagine. First, chia seeds are high in fiber. When consumed at night, this fiber helps clean out your digestive system while you sleep. It keeps things moving smoothly, reduces bloating, and can even prevent constipation. You wake up feeling lighter and less sluggish in the morning. Second, they're packed with omega 3 fatty acids, which help reduce inflammation in the body. If you wake up with puffiness in your face or stiffness in your joints, chia water may help your body heal and repair more efficiently overnight. Chia seeds also contain protein, the building blocks your body uses to repair muscles, skin, and tissues while you sleep. Drinking chia water at night gives your body the nutrients it needs to restore itself, leading to better skin, stronger nails, and faster recovery from tiredness. Another big benefit is hydration. When soaked, chia seeds hold up to 12 times their weight in water. So when you drink chia water, your body stays hydrated longer. This deep hydration reflects in your skin. After regular use, your skin may start looking more plump, soft, and glowing, without the need for any skincare products. If you struggle with midnight cravings, this drink can be a game changer. The gel like texture makes you feel full and satisfied. Drinking it before bed helps control hunger hormones, making it easier to avoid late night snacking and helping you stick to your healthy eating goals. Chia seeds are also rich in antioxidants. These protect your cells from damage while you sleep. So not only does your body get a detox, but your skin also benefits from reduced signs of aging, fewer fine lines, more elasticity, and a fresher complexion. There's also a surprising benefit for those who find it hard to sleep peacefully. Chia seeds contain tryptophan, an amino acid that promotes better sleep and relaxation. Over time, you may notice that you fall asleep faster and wake up feeling more refreshed. Chia water can also regulate blood sugar levels overnight. If your blood sugar tends to spike or drop suddenly, this drink helps slow down the absorption of carbs and sugar, keeping your levels stable and preventing sudden crashes or energy dips the next morning. And if you're on a weight loss journey, chia seed water is your best nighttime companion. It boosts metabolism, reduces belly bloating, and keeps you full for longer. That means fewer cravings, better digestion, and more visible results over time. Making chia seed water is incredibly simple. Just take 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, add it to a glass of water, stir well, and let it sit for 30 minutes to an hour, or overnight in the fridge. Drink it about 30 minutes before bed. You can also add a squeeze of lemon or a few mint leaves for extra taste and added detox benefits. But even plain, this drink does wonders. It's such a small habit, but it brings powerful results. A few days into this routine, and you may notice lighter mornings, smoother digestion, clearer skin, and improved energy levels. If you're ready to support your body naturally and wake up to a healthier you, give chia seed water a try tonight. And if you loved this tip, don't forget to subscribe to envilush for more simple, effective, and natural wellness tips that actually work.